Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I'm here today with our product manager, Debbie. And we wanted to talk to you about our Springtime in Paris shop, which we've just opened. So, I have been to Paris, but I haven't been in the spring. I've been in the fall. But they always say, like, April in Paris is like the best time to go. So, I think we should do a company retreat sometime in Paris in April. So, we just wanted to show you a few things. This is just a little shop. Just to kind of just give you a little taste of spring, a little start off to the spring season. So the first thing is our Paris embroidery kit. And this is the panel that it comes with that's pre-printed, and you can do as much or as little embroidery as you want. Like we've done embroidery, we've done the word Paris, we've done the details on the Eiffel Tower and some little details on the flowers. So when you get it, it'll have a border on it like this, which you will trim off to the size that you need.
This looks like it's good for a beginner. Am I right?
Yes. Well, because you can do just as much or as little embroidery as you want. If you don't want to do any embroidery, you don't have to do anything at all to it. It's cute as is. And I mean, it comes with the flosses, it comes with coordinating flosses. And then it comes with those cute buttons, which you can put to decorate like the centers of the flowers. So even if you don't want to do the embroidery part, if you just want to add the buttons, that would be fine, and that would be really cute. And you do get an instruction sheet with some suggestions for where to do the embroidery and the buttons and that kind of thing. And then to go with it, we have these really cute coordinating fabrics. I love these. They're just adorable. So whatever you want to make out of this, you've got these fabrics which we're selling by the half yard. So you can just pick and choose whichever ones you like best. They will all coordinate with this little panel.
They coordinate so pretty.
They're so cute.
Especially these florals.
Yeah, so
gorgeous.
This is like a yellow and a peach, and it's got like a little bit of a lavender periwinkle blue in it. This one's really cute. The blues go so nicely with this. So just think about how you could make maybe a pillow or a wall hanging out of this. You could just add a couple of borders and bam, you're done. Or just, a couple borders in the backing of the pillow and you're done. And it would be so cute for springtime decorating. This one is cute. It's little like vases with flowers in it. And then we've got this this kind of reminds me of a picnic gingham. Mm-hmm. So, maybe you're in Paris in the spring and you're doing a little picnic. You've picked up your cheese from the cheese shop and your bread from the bakery and your wine from the wine shop, and you're doing a little picnic maybe in Paris. It's got this cute little kind of a peachy design, and then this reminds me of like a flea market, like an antique fabric maybe at a flea market. So again, all of these would just go so nicely. And then we've got this. This has little tiny hearts on it.
The hearts,
they're very subtle. So it's a white background. So if you just need like a white or neutral fabric for filling in on your project, that would be cute too. So again, these are available by the half yard. They're super cute, super pretty. Mm-hmm. They go really nicely together. They have a really fresh spring feeling to them.
Yeah, I love them.
Yeah, I love them. So then we have a couple of coordinating products. What do you want to show first?
Well, we have our scissors.
Okay, we've got the Eiffel Tower. Because we've got our Eiffel Tower here.
In bronze or silver.
Okay, so 2 colors. Mm-hmm. They're really cute. You can never have enough scissors.
Yeah, they're cute.
I'm always walking around looking for my scissors. I have 100 pairs, but can never find them when I need them. So
this is new. I know.
That's cute. We picked that because it coordinates with this little vase fabric. So you get your vase with the flowers in it, and then you can even get a needle minder with the vase, like a mason jar vase with the flowers in it. Yeah. And you could use this as a pin, like a little lapel pin for spring. That would be adorable. It's magnetic, so it doesn't have a pin to snag your blouse. So you could use this. This would double as a pin. And then
we have
another needle minder with the bicycle, which again goes with our bicycle theme here. Same thing, magnetic needle minder, which you could also use as a little lapel pin if you wanted to. That's really cute.
And this is new.
And brand new. We've got little stickers in the shop. They are so cute for like decorating your laptop or a water bottle, just anything where you just want a little something, Maybe you've got like a computer bag or something. Your phone case, if you've got a plain
Oh,
phone case, that would be
yeah.
really
That's a
cute
good
to put
spot
on
for
there. Yeah, and they're vinyl.
stuff.
It's vinyl. So if you put it on a water bottle, as long as you hand wash it, it should be okay. They're not the paper ones that'll wash right off. So I think that's it for our Paris shop. Again, it's a little shop, but it's a cute shop.
Yeah.
And it's a great way to get your spring started. So we hope you will pop on over and see what we have. Bye.
Bye.